Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today's going to be a very short video and quick personal thoughts on today's topic, Harbor Freight wrenches. Now, back in the day, I actually had a set of just the standard Pittsburgh wrenches. They weren't terrible, great for DIY stuff. I don't know what I missed. I don't know if they've always been this way or they've just gotten worse, but I'm about to show you a clip, and I really hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll discuss it afterwards. Okay, so in the beginning of the clip, if you really look long, maybe you can go back and pause. The wrenches look like garbage. I mean, there's no love put into these wrenches whatsoever. I don't know if it's just the flex head ratcheting wrenches or, I mean, almost every single set I looked at had this wave in them. I mean, when your standard wrenches, straight wrenches, look more like deep offsets or flare knot wrenches, that's pretty bad. I don't know how or why you would push that through to be sold to somebody. I get it. These are all very, very cheap wrenches. I mean, I believe this set's run anywhere from $15 to $55, but that's bad. I mean, Harbor Freight has a lot of good stuff for really good prices that could be used in the professional field on a daily basis and be just fine. I personally do not believe these ratcheting wrenches or a majority of their wrenches are one of those things. I believe they really need to focus on improving their wrenches. Even if they got a 72 tooth count ratcheting mechanism that seems to operate just fine, if your wrench looks like that, I don't know why you would purchase it. I'd just go ahead and spend a little bit extra money and get something that doesn't look like garbage. And if it's deformed like that, the tool is probably not going to operate very well for very long. That's just my personal thoughts. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know what you guys think. And if you haven't, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you guys in the next one.